Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I have several things here from DEK. So I'm going to open 3 of them and then I'm going to come back and do the subscription box with you guys. So I am super excited. So hang with me. I'm cleaning up my mess around here. It's been a busy day. Oh my goodness. And we've had storms come in and all kinds of stuff. So I don't know what the deal is right now, but oh goodness gracious, we definitely had a major turn in the weather, and bless my poor husband's heart, he is grabbing stuff to do. Oh look, oh my goodness. Well, this is from Dawn from DEK. Oh my goodness. A Starbucks card. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on guys, this is so sweet. Oh my goodness. No wonder she was asking me if I gotten my goodies. Look at this. How cute. Okay, this is going to be opened all by itself because this is amazing. Oh, thank you, Dawn. Look at this gorgeousness. It feels like, oh my goodness, there are several. So look at those darling overlays. Aw, and so what she did, she divided up us into like team groups, and that's how she sent things out. So there I am right there. That is so sweet. So that is gorgeous silver. Oh my goodness, and they're different. Oh, I love this. I just ordered those. Love it, Dawn. And there's the gold. And then here is another, oh, coffee run. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you, Dawn. And Emily and Katie, I'm not sure who's, I know Dawn mentioned this, and oh, it's so sweet. Yeah, it's from Dawn. Thank you, Dawn. This is so sweet of you. I am a Starbucks girl. I haven't been for a long time, but you know what? Someday I will be there. I still have Starbucks on my card on my phone from before. So one day when we go, we are going to be fat and happy. Oh, I haven't tried these. Oh, wow. I'm getting ready to take my nails off. By the way, guys, these red aspen nails are fantastic. This lasted over 2 weeks. The only one that got messed up was a little bit was this one, and it was my first time to ever put them on because I use my thumb so much in crafting, but a little bit of glue and I was good to go. I cannot wait to soak these off, and then I'm going to try these. These are so pretty, Dawn. Oh my goodness. So this color is rosé all day. Look how pretty those are. I would never have tried these, but I think they're gorgeous. Oh, Dawn, thank you so much. And I'm sorry it took me so long to get anything. Goodness, it took forever from the post office. So, but guys, I'm going to be back. I will do the rest of my DEK unboxing. I just need to just be thankful. All right, guys, I'll be talking to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.